Some mornings you don't need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Azimut Grande 32M. Built in Italy, the flagship of the Grande series. 4 decks, and every one of them built for being outside. Plenty of power to get well offshore before the marina wakes up. Twin diesels, a hull built to cut weight and keep moving. You're past the point before most people finish their coffee. Beach Club drops you straight into the water off the stern. Tender's close by. You're swimming in minutes, not working for it. Stabilizing fins hold her steady at anchor, so the quiet nights stay quiet. Flybridge catches the last light of the day. Foredeck seating, open cockpit dining, 4 separate decks, so everyone has their own corner of the day. Full height windows keep the water close even when you're inside. This isn't a boat you admire from the dock. It's a boat you live on, from sunrise on the Flybridge to dinner under the stars. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.